Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the quantum mechanics. When you will move out of your house, you will see roads, cars, building, and if you will to zoom out, you will see Earth, and then you will see the solar system, then the galaxies, and then the universe. Isn't it a miracle? So let's begin with our today's presentation. So, what is quantum mechanics? I want the basic definition that you know about the quantum mechanics in the comment section below my video. So, the basic definition of the quantum mechanics: when you will look universe by zooming it in and observe and study the building blocks of the universe atom is called the quantum mechanics. So the basic definition of the quantum mechanics is that when you will study the building blocks of the universe, that is the atom, is known as the quantum mechanics. When you zoom in the universe, you will see that the laws of the conventional physics means that the physics you are studying at the schools and colleges are just the suggestion in the
एग्जाम्पल
quantum
ऑफ ए
world.
बेडशीट है उसमें इतना जूम करते हैं जितना यूनिवर्स अलाउ करता है। जूम करने के एंड में आपको एक मैजिकल वर्ड दिखता है और आपको दिखते हैं स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल इन दिस यूनिवर्स
Are just the suggestions in the quantum world, which means that all the laws, जो भी लॉज है यूनिवर्स के, वो क्वांटम वर्ल्ड के अंदर काम ही नहीं करते, वो सिर्फ एक सजेशंस है. क्वेश्चन, you have to answer this question in the comment below. I will be answering this question further in the video. Isn't amazing that the universe exists? Isn't it that if the universe didn't exist, is the simplest state of the universe? Why this universe exists? Who is controlling this universe? What is quantum mechanics? This is the scientific definition of the quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is the field of the physics that explain how extremely small particles stimulously have the characteristic of both particles and the wave distribution or the variation that transfers energy. Physicists call this as the wave-particle duality. We will be studying about the wave-particle duality in our next video. In this video, we are going to learn till the butterfly effect. So, then let's talk about the quantum world now. Quantum world is the world where the fusion of reality and the science fiction take place, and we realizes that a universe is a magical place and the universe is hiding many things from us. We also realizes that the universe cheat code is the quantum mechanics. That what is the quantum world? In the quantum world, you will realize is that it is the place where the fusion of the reality and the science fiction take place. The science fiction is the movie like the movies of the Marvel like Iron Man. It's completely science fiction, and the reality is the world in which we are actually living. It's the reality. And when these two things combine, we realizes that universe is a magical place. And by realizing that universe is a magical place, it also seems that nothing is impossible in our universe. Nothing. And the quantum mechanics is the cheat code of the our universe. After learning about the properties of the quantum world, you will know everything in this universe is possible. History of the quantum mechanics. The history starts like the hundred of the years ago when the scientists came to know that the normal laws of the physics does not apply to the smallest part of the universe. What is the smallest part of the universe? It's atom. Atom, proton, electrons are the smallest part in this universe. Now let's study about the quantum mechanics in detail. So, the quantum fluid. Here's the Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla told us if you want to understand the universe, you have to think in the terms of vibration, frequency. Now, let's study about the fluid, the quantum fluid. According to the quantum mechanics, basic nature of the universe is like a fluid. In this fluid, all the things of this universe are interconnected and flowing continuously. Imagine a river of the in which the electron, proton, and other subatomic particles are flowing, and the liquid river is in our and this liquid river is our universe. Isn't it less than a miracle? According to the quantum mechanics, the universe is like the dynamic interconnected fluid. So, here, the butterfly effect. What the butterfly effect is that even a small particle present in this universe can affect the whole universe. Even I am also made up of the atom, you are also made up of the atom, my laptop is made up of atom. If I think something, if I think about a person, and my thoughts are actually affecting that person. If I think about the universe, my thoughts are actually affecting that. My thoughts are actually affecting the universe also. The universe also. This is called the butterfly effect. And one more thing here comes that power of manifestation. Have you heard about the manifestation? If you have heard, drop your answers in the comment section below. What is manifestation? So the universe does not have the answers of the no. Universe does not have the answers. No, that is no. So when you will just ask something that I am get I got the full marks, I will get the full marks. Universe will help you to get the full marks, but you have to also do hard work. You have to also do the hard work. So it's gonna be the last topic that we are going to discuss in this video. What is quantum superpositioning? What is quantum superpositioning? It is one of the weirdest thing that the scientists have studied while studying the building blocks of the universe, the atoms, protons, etc. Let me give you an example. If you have a box and you have put cat in that box and close that box, what could be in that box when you have not opened it? Your answer would be like you have put the cat, so the cat will only come out. Cat will only come out, but here's a twist. According to this quantum superpositioning, there are infinite possibilities. There are infinite possibilities of existing something else in that box. When you are not seeing that cat inside the box. There could be cat, dog, snail, snakes, etc. in that box. Why this happened? This happened because all the building blocks of which you, me, and this table is made up of is the atoms, and atoms are flowing like a fluid, and they only come into a solid state when somebody is seeing that object. When somebody is seeing that object, they are in the liquid state when no one is observing that. When no one is observing that. So yeah, thank you for your attention for so long time. I will meet you in the next video. Till the time, bye bye, and we will also cover the further topics in the next video.